Let's do this. It's called Passenger. It's by Interpol. It's got a lot of very close chords. That's what I was doing there at the end, was just playing those close chords. We'll go over all those chords. But we start off just playing a C sharp minor, which is the relative minor of E, which is E is the key of this one. Just start on the high E and then pick down and then hit the high E on the 12th fret, and then come back to it. And then what we're going to do is play G and B. Hit the B on 12. That's the verses. Is that kind of all in C minor. This part where we're playing the G and B, it kind of gives you a feel of an E chord. Does twice on the C minor, and then twice on this some more E flavored chord. Arpeggio though. Then we, for the pre-chorus, we go to a G sharp minor. Out of like this G sharp minor. We're just playing the top 3 strings. And then I play the E major 7 there. It stays in that for 2 measures. Play the E major 7 first. G sharp minor. A. Just playing it on the top 4 strings. Back to G sharp minor. Going to a hold. B, A. Then back to G sharp minor, and then before it goes to the chorus, like the chorus doesn't come until like after the second verse. It does verse, pre-chorus, verse, pre-chorus, and then chorus. So on the second pre-chorus, it goes to B. Walk up to B. Then it goes into the chorus. Playing just the E, like this E bar chord. I'm just playing on the top 3. So I'm just playing it like this. And I play B. So it's E, say me and then B, C sharp minor, or G sharp minor, then B, A, all three chords. I played the G, and then I played the B, and then I played the E major 7. Then it just goes into pre-chorus. We're done with the verses. The pre-chorus again. End of the pre-chorus goes the B. And then, yeah, the chord. Playing at the C minor here. All right, have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.